Hey, what it is? It's Blue Frog. I'm back with the much anticipated break video. We got us more of the Marvel Annual because these cards, the art is so gorgeous that I have to share this art with the world. So I went and picked up in reality, I picked up like 6 boxes of it, but I think we're only gonna break 4. I'll save the other 2 because there's still a couple more boxes at the store. Where I buy them, you can only buy 5 boxes of cards. It's like they got like a limit on it, because like people are doing bad things to each other over trading cards. So Fred Meyer only allows 5 boxes. I had 1, so I picked up 5 more, so I got 6. But I'd like to do a couple breaks, so I might swing back by there tomorrow and grab the other couple that are left, and then that way I can do a couple more breaks with these cards. They are freaking beautiful, like you saw on the previous ones. And then I got some other, dude, I've got cards galore. Dude, when I went and picked up cards and they had these 6-pack mega boxes, there was 3 of them. I picked up 2 of them when I went back there. The other one was gone. A whole bunch of the other stuff's all wiped out because cards do not last around here, bro. I went to one Walmart this morning. Everything was gone. They didn't have nothing. And yeah, dude. So I went back to Fred Meyer, where I'd gotten some of this and picked up all I could get, which was 5 more boxes, like I said. All right, let's get into this. Gotta give a shout out to Caesar. Pulling out the switchblade, baby. What's up, Martin? Can't forget about Red. I know you want some of these cards, Red. And like, you guys are like, man, you're like a broken record, bro. I'm going to go through the emails. I will be doing a video here probably today when I get done doing these breaks. Karen Wu will be getting a package. I will be getting her stuff together, and then I will do a free card winner giveaway video showing that Karen Wu is a winner and that she will get cards, I guarantee. And somebody else wants some cards that I haven't mailed to yet. So yeah, bro, I've sent cards to the United Kingdom, to Denmark. 2 of the packages that will be going out in this next wave will be to the Philippines and Thailand, maybe? I don't know, but dude, I'm going to get a map of the world and start putting X's of where I've been able to share my love, share some joy to the world. Because when it comes down to it, and we are no longer in existence, what matters is that you were able to make strangers be happy. You gotta share happiness and cards, because cards equal happiness. You gotta share that with the world if you're able to. All right, yeah, I'm so confused. I don't even know what to do. So we're gonna start opening some packs, bro. All right, I wish you luck. Good luck on your box break. Hopefully we hit something absolutely magical. Once again, if you want some free cards, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want. There's my info. Okay, we got man, this is weird. I gotta put my hand like through the circle here. We got Electra, Colossus. Ooh, look at that. We got Polaris. Oh, and we got the regular Polaris. Once again, that's what the backs look like. Oh, yeah, White Wolf. I forgot. Yeah, dude. This is the blue parallel. Oh, man, what happened to the corner, bro? Look at that. Come on, Upper Deck. Where's your quality control, bro? That's what the Blue Series looks like. The Blue Series is only available in the blaster form. At least that's what I've read. That's the Silver Sparkle. All right. Pack number 2. Oh, hey, man. Someone was like, yo, dude, you got to get some of that, shit, it's called like Super Stock or something like that. They don't have any of that. Ooh, gold. They don't have any of that or at any of the stores that I've seen, so I can't pick that product up yet because I have not seen it available. But I'm trying to... Dang, she looks like the G.I. Joe. She looks like Storm Shadow, kind of. Shadow Cat? I thought it was Shadow Quat. Shadow Cat. Yeah. Totally not copying G.I. Joe. Ooh, we got Hellcat in the blue. And, ooh, there we go. We don't have this one yet. Number 1 spot. Annual of, that's Doctor Strange. I know that much, bro. We got Doctor Strange. Totally not Dr. Feelgood. All right, next pack. Yeah, what's up, Jen? Carl from the UK. They got Kitty Cat. Meow, meow. Psylocke. Oh, shit. Look, we got Spider Boy. Oh, yeah, bro. She's so purty. And we got Wolverine again. Oh, we don't have that one yet. Destiny. And it's that, it has kind of a weird feel to it. Tier 3. Right on. It's always nice getting something that we don't have yet, right, guys? Yeah, I know, you guys, some people here are just waiting for that basketball. I'll have to open a box or 2 of that up. Because we got to keep oh, man, what's going on? We got to keep everybody happy around here. We got Thor. We got Abigail. Emma Frost in blue. This might be a double of this card. Like I said, I'm going to give some... Oh, yeah, bro. We got Spider Boy coming out the page. That's Star Rookie. That's the back. Yeah, I'm going to try and, you know, I got to keep some for the personal collection, the PC, but I got doubles, and I know Red's, dude, Red S. Dude, Red is like #1 on everything, bro. You guys gotta watch out for Red. She comes in hot. We got Moon Knight. Whoa, Hunter's Moon. I don't know if we've got that one. It's been a while since I've looked at my cards, you guys. Oh, we don't. I'm pretty sure we do not have this one yet. That's a nice looking card. Tier 3. Dude, I totally dig the art. Like you're like, you've already said that, bro. I know. It's so freaking awesome, though. I should pick up some of these boxes. The hobby box. Yeah, hobby, because this is all retail here, bro. We got She-Hulk. I don't know if that's before and after. Whoa, dude. What is that? Man, that's crazy, bro. We got Domino. Miss Marvel. Pretty sure that's a double. Pretty sure that is up for grabs. Oh, we don't. I'm pretty sure we... Man, I have to look. I don't know if we have this one here or not. We might. It seems like I recognize the Destroyer name. But still, no numbered cards out of this set. They're owing us, right, you guys? I'm pretty sure they owe us some autograph cards, some like original artwork. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's 5 packs per box. That's what it is. So this is the last pack of first box. Yeah, dudes, with hitting that that big win, that jackpot at the casino, he's like, I can smell it. I can smell what the Rock is cooking. I'm gonna have to get myself some sort of a Christmas present. Whoa, whoa, you guys, look at that. That's freaking awesome. Yeah, that's mint too. Thank God, because half these cards got whoopies on the corners. But yeah, that's freaking sweet. It just says Silver Sparkle. I thought maybe it'd be something even more fantastic than that, because, dude, that is sick. All right, that's box 1. Moving into box number 2. Yeah, I had like freaking... Dude, I swear, like the first card of all these boxes, that corner is getting... Oh my God, look at that corner too, bro. Come on. I should write Upper Deck and a nasty message and be like, yes, son of a guns. We got Blade coming in again. Got the blue. Oh, man. number 1 spot. Still no numbered cards yet. Yet, though. Because dude, I almost need to throw this card away because I do not want that in my set. And I don't want to mail it to you guys either, if you know what I'm saying. Like, it costs buco bucks to mail people some cards. So you don't want to mail people crap, if you know what I'm saying. Kid Omega, man, he looks like he's not no kid. Whoa, man, look at this dude. Weird, bro. Ooh, we got Black Cat Blues. Oh, and we've got the Spider Boy version. Tier 4. Dude, I wonder if there is a Tier 2 or a Tier 3 of this, or if they're just making up numbers, bro. But yeah, that one's pretty cool looking. Big money. Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. Come on, let's do this. We got Fang. Got Beast. Whoa, Misery. That's pretty dope. I like that. That's cool, man. Oh, yeah, babe. That's our blue and, whoa, our Sinister 6, Hope Summers. That's what the back looks like. You have to make a new pile there. Okay, what we got? Only 2 packs left in this. Yeah, we totally need to open, whoops, we totally need to open 4 boxes. And then go buy more, right, you guys? We need to buy more. Yeah, my frost is going burr on them. We got the Peach Momoko art of Doctor Strange. Oh, nice. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I'd have to look through our cards to see what I got doubles of and what I don't, but yeah, right there, Johnny, that's where it goes. That's right, Iron Man surfing with his dog. The blue Danny Kitch. We got Cyclops. And Abigail. Tier 3. Abigail. Okay. 2 was totally not enough. Switchblade. Okay. Please be something good for us. We would like some fire, please. Hey, and don't forget to recycle, you guys. I always recycle my boxes. And if you watch a movie on VHS, you gotta be kind and rewind. All right, box number 3, pack number 1. Ooh, I smell doubles or triples. Yeah, we've gotten all these cards out. So we got an Adam Warlock blue, which I think we've already got. Oh, here we go. We don't have this one yet. The Summer Symbiotes Flexo? Dude, I have no idea who Flexo is. The last Summer Symbiote cards we got were so awesome though, dude. You guys remember the super duper cool cards. Oh, jeez, come on. Hey, I got another Spider Boy if anybody needs a Spider Boy. Ooh, we got Scarlet Witch. Nice. Mystique in blue. That looks good with her, too. And this guy. Silver Sparkle. Come on, big money, big money. Thor. That one again. Oh, we got Wong. We've already got this one before. But there's nothing wrong with that. Okay. Who's this guy? Noah Ver? No, I don't know how you say this dude's name there. Naver. Nah, I mean. But that's boom, right there we go. I want a sketch card, autograph. They should put movie props in here too, man. Like you just won Thanos' gauntlet. Got that one already. Got all those already. Ooh, we don't have this one yet. It's pretty nice. Tier 4. But it's not nice enough. Maybe win like a Spider-Man web slinger. Ooh, Black Panther. Wow, man, I don't know if we've gotten that one yet. Maybe we have, maybe we haven't. And Professor X Tier 3. Right? Are you guys getting a little disappointed? I am. We want something super rare. Firestar. Ooh, we got Venom. We got the Doctor. Ooh, X-23. Number 1 gold card with X-23 on it. Well, we don't have that one yet, but still, right, guys? We're going for we want something rare. Oh man, I already gave it away. I'm gonna say, you guys know how a cat likes its steak? Rare. Oh my word, these packs are so sticky, man. Captain Marvel with, dude, looks like she has her hair braided. I don't ever remember that happening. Whoa, bro. That's the Hulk. Weird. Remember the Hulk looking like that. Whoa, hello, color. That says it's only a tier 1. But it's Black Panther. Yeah, no, I kind of need to go get the rest of those boxes, but then again, you know, it's like, might have to get some hobby boxes of this so we can get some interesting cards. Hey, hello. How you doing? Whew, wonder if she's single. I haven't seen that dude yet. I don't even think he's wearing any clothes. He's like, we're going streaking, you guys. Oh, I'm about ready to knock my cards over. Like, we're going streaking. Oh, I knew it. Yes, I'm a noob. Rookie. Whoa, hello. He looks like a bad guy. Etienne Argent? What a weird name, bro. Cold War right there. This pretty girl is going right in that pile right there. Come on now, we need something good for red here. I think we just got that one, man. If you need one of these, let me know. Yeah, Mystique's, she's really hot this time of year. Dude, we just got him too, bro. If you need this card, let me know. Yeah, he's right there is how. Yeah, we do not want doubles and triples. Got to get my drink of my blackberry juice. It's my gummy berry juice. Yeah, I need to hurry up. This thing's almost 30 minutes long. This break's taking forever, bro. Oh, look, that's got a rounded corner. Okay, we're saving this for later. We're saving that for in a minute. Yeah, we got something, you guys. We finally got something good, hopefully. Like, we're moving on to the next pack. We found something good, so we're not allowed to look at it. We got Thor. We got Bucky Barnes. Whoever that is, bro. This dude again. And that dude again, man. Let me know if you need, she's right there, bro. Let me know if you need him. Because I got it. Domino again. Moon Knight again. Exodus. Dude, we got this dude again. We're putting too many Adam Warlocks in our collection. And we got Venom. All right, you guys ready to see what this card is? Oh, man. We did it. All right, here. Oh, dude, that's so colorful. Woo. Please be something amazing. We got, and it's, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Wong again. Oh man, this card is hot. Just a sec, I had to get my oven mitts out because this is so hot. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, it's too hot for the mitt. Oh, plus I don't want to damage it. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh, it's in mint condition too. Wow, Captain America. That's America right there. Wow, I wonder what that is. You're like, flip it over, it'll tell you, dummy. Yeah, man. Woo. Yeah. Oh, it's a backscatter. B4. Before the government gives Captain America his shield, Steve Rogers dreamt of becoming an artist. What? It's a sticker. Man, who would peel that and put it on their Trapper Keeper? Dude, these got to be hard to get. Because it's freaking gorgeous, man. Yeah, buddy. It's a sticker. And I will not be sticking it on anything. Actually, we're going to put that right now. This has to go into a sleeve. And into another sleeve. But yeah, you guys, ain't that amazing? I know it showed those on the box somewhere too, right there. All new backscatter sticker card. So yeah, it's a sticker card, and I'm glad I got freaking Captain America, not Sam Wilson. Like Wilson. Dude, you're like, what are you doing, bro? Let me see what the odds of getting a backscatter is. Silver Sparkles are 1 in 9. Number 1 spots 1 in 8. Sunburst Symbiotes 1 in 8. Captain America Cold War 1 in 10. Sinister 1 in 10. Okay, backscatters are 1 in 20. Star Rookies are 1 in 20. Whoa. So yeah, this This right here is just as rare. These star rookies are just as rare as these. I guess that's good to know, right? Shit. Let me see if I can get it to zoom into... I don't think it's going to do it for me, you guys. Yeah, you're probably not going to be able to read any of those. Dude, the artwork ones are freaking hard to get your hands on, though. Dark Web 1 in 30, Creators Corner 1 in 600, Original Art 1 in 7,680. So yeah, I guess those other ones are really rare. But hey, at least, whoa, hello, there we go. At least we got to see a new card, though. All right, let me know if you need any of these, but you can't have my sticker. Yeah, like I said, I'll go through my emails for some of the previous stuff, and I'll get some packages made up, and then I'll do a video showing that I'm giving cards out to you guys. Up next will be, I'll do 2 more boxes of the Star Wars Chrome, even though I've opened like 1 million boxes of them. And then I'll get maybe a couple more boxes of this and do another break of this potentially tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys later. Peace.